आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलते हैं। IRIB वर्ल्ड सर्विस के नायब सदर का खिताब जारी है।
Pakistani side. Definitely the initiative in this regard can provide the new chapters and new avenues in the cooperation between Iran and Pakistan. Moreover, the telecast of the Iranian TV channels, overseas TV channels in Pakistan can also provide the new avenue of cooperation between two countries. Honorable Minister, the IRB has the readiness to provide its technical assistance and the cooperation to the Pakistani side. And this cooperation not only could be extended to the public sector but also to the private sector. Excellency, a lot of instruments are in industry produced in our country and they are competitive on the international standards. The IRIB University interested with training a new generation of media professionals. Through the organization of specialized training courses, international workshops, and study opportunities for Pakistani students, the university can further contribute to the strengthening of our collaboration in education and research.
جا دارد به نمایندگی از رئیس محترم سازمان صدا و سیما از جناب عالی دعوت کنم ضمن سفر به تهران از سازمان صدا و سیما بازدید نمایید و آنچه که خدمت شما به اختصار برشمردم را از نزدیک نظاره کنید. خوشبختانه در این سفر چند سند همکاری میان سازمان صدا و سیما و رسانه‌های پاکستان امضا خواهد شد که مقدمه گسترش روابط رسانه‌ای است. بسیار امیدوارم بتوانیم همکاری‌های رسانه‌ای را همتراز با سطح مناسبات سیاسی دو کشور بشنویم. At the end, I like to talk to you a few words in English so you can hear it directly. We do not forget at the time of difficulties the friends and those who stood with the Islamic Republic of Iran. Your stance was much appreciated. We could see how the coverage inside Pakistan in support of Iran against the Zionist enemy was broadcasted in Pakistan. And while the enemy at the fourth day of war targeted the main headquarters of IRIB, the scene that shook the world. But alhamdulillah, my colleagues stood firm, didn't move, didn't shake. You could see my colleague Sahar Emami that was delivering the news didn't move a bit, delivered until the end and hopefully without